Namaste, welcome to my channel Tarot by Anjali. This is a pick a pile video. So you have to choose between four groups. If you belong to group 1, you must have initials between A, B, C, D, E, F. You belong to group 2 if you have initials of your name G, H, I, J, K, L. You belong to group 3 if you have initials M, N, O, P, Q, R, and you belong to group 4 if you have initials S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So let's get started. Hi group 1. So you have got cards 4 of swords, 8 of swords, 3 of wands and 3 of cups. So what will be your strategy to achieve success for anything, whatever you have in your mind? What should be your strategy? First thing that you need to understand that don't forget to celebrate your previous success. Okay? If you celebrate your previous success, you are giving this message to the universe that you are ready for the next project or next endeavor. Now, you should always keep your communications open. Keep your communications open. Always check your emails. Keep checking your messages, that whether you are getting the messages from the other side or not. Be it a spiritual journey. If your question is related to spiritual journey, do meditation. Be open for messages from the other side. If you are talking about business here, or you are talking about job, then you should always keep your communications open. Keep checking your phone. Try to communicate to the other people. Try to reach out to them. And this card also indicates that you will definitely get success. So group 1, it's a positive thing for you. Now the other two cards are swords cards. Okay, 7 of swords, it tells you that don't be too straightforward, don't be too blunt when you deal with people. Try to change the facts, try to modify the facts and then present the facts to the other people. 8 of swords, it indicates that you should not keep yourself blinded to many facts. Okay, what you are doing here, you are not looking to the clear picture. Try to remove your blindfold and then look at the reality. Many times what happens that we tend to ignore the things that we see. What you're doing here, you're doing the same. You're ignoring many things. You're ignoring many flaws, or you are ignoring many dishonesty which comes from the other people. So this card also indicates that in order to achieve success, you need to be street smart and you need to celebrate things. You need to also because 3 of cups and 3 of wands has appeared here, I would suggest you to go for something which has 3 people in them. Okay, take a project with 3 people working together, or you can if you are going for a travel, then go with 3 go together, make with a group of 3 people, means you and 2 other people. So what should be your strategy? Your strategy should be, don't become too honest or don't become too blunt. Try to be diplomatic, be strategic, use some strategies. Don't think that if you will go simply and you will speak up and you will get the project, it won't happen to you. So don't even take stress. Don't take stress. You need to celebrate. You need to celebrate and you need to travel to achieve success. So these are few clues that you can that you have got from this group A. You can write in the comment box if you want more about the group 1. I would make another video related to the same topic, which is how to achieve success and what strategies to use to achieve success. Now let's move to group 2. Hi group 2. So if your initials are G, H, I, J, K, L, then you belong to group 2. What should be your strategy to achieve success? So here are your cards. You have the Moon, Two of Swords, Ace of Cups and Nine of Cups. So let's get into the first card, which is the Moon. Group 2, you should be aware of fraud people around you. It's definitely there are few people who are not being completely honest with you. So be smart, and if the Moon card has appeared, which means that you already know that you are being cheated, but somehow you are not using your intuition. You are not relying on your intuition. Two of Swords indicates you should rely on your intuition. So if you think that someone is not being honest with you, you should always trust your gut feeling. Now another clue that you have here is Ace of Cups. Start something new. Start something that you love doing. You should always rely on something that is your gut feeling and that gives you pleasure. Ace of Cups means what? Start of a new relationship. So if you want to achieve success in relationships, if you are already couple, then you should bring some re-spark in your relationship. If you are single, then definitely there's a chance that you will find new love here. Now you also have Nine of Cups card here. Nine of Cups card indicates that you should always show off your achievements. You have too many achievements from your past. Show off your achievements. Show them that what you are. Show them that you have achievements and awards with you. This card also indicates that you need to take a small rest period. Take rest and enjoy your achievements and then move forward. Get re-energized and then move forward for your new strategy. So some messages may resonate with people, some messages may not resonate with you. It depends upon you that what messages you are taking from this reading. Always rely on your gut instinct. Always be careful of your enemies. And Two of Swords card also indicates that you will be given two options, two choices. So when such situation appears, you need to go for something that you love doing. Let's say you have two choices. One is to go in film industry and one is to start a new business. If you are someone who loves to do business, then go for business. If you are someone who loves acting or whatever in the film industry, go to that, take that option. So you will be always given two choices. Now it also depends upon your past achievements. If you have achieved so much in your past, then always take the same path and continue in the same path if you are given two choices. Okay, so this is all about group 2. Let's move to group 3. Thank you. Hello group 3. So this is group 3 whose initial starts from MNOPQR. So these are your 4 cards. You have Ace of Swords in reverse, you have King of Wands, you have 8 of Pentacles and you have the Death card. Okay, don't get scared by this death card. It is a good card. Let's talk about Swords card. Okay, you are deciding to start something new, but don't rush into your decision. Think properly, make strategies. There are chances that you will sign a wrong document, or maybe you will not read the document and do some paperwork mistakes. So you should be careful of this. Your strategy should be that you need to read the paper completely and then only sign the paper. Now you have King of Wands. King of Wands is a card which indicates that you are a person with high energy levels and you are a good advisor. People come to you to take advice. So you should make strategies which is related to counseling or advising. If you are thinking of starting something new, then start a counseling company or start something where you have to give advice to others. You also have 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles card, as you can see, this man is working hard and he is completely immersed into his work. He is thinking about the work, he is meticulously doing the work. So this is how you have to do the work. Whatever you are into, if you are an artist, if you are an actor, if you are a businessman, if you are in job, always make strategies where you have to meticulously do the work. Don't leave the work unfinished, or don't leave the work for I'll do it at home, or don't take it home. Finish it in the office itself. And also don't rush into finishing the task. Now you also have death card. So many of you might be thinking about finishing something or stopping something here and then starting a new thing. So this is a good strategy here for group 3. You can finish, or you can just get your previous tasks over and then start the new project. Now there is an advice. If things are going to stop in your life and you want to resist it, don't resist. Let things get shut at that time. Don't stretch it, okay? Finish it and then start something new. This is the advice for you. Also, because it is a first major arcana card that has appeared in group 3, it was not there in group 1 and group 2. This card also indicates that you will have new beginnings in life. Right now you are not understanding that it is a good thing for you, but later you will understand that that which has gone from your life was for something good. So later you will connect the dots from past, and then you will understand that everything that has happened for your betterment only. So this is all about group 3. You can write me in the comment box if you resonated with this pile. If you did not resonate and you did not like, then also you can write in the comment box. I will highly appreciate your comments. Thank you. Hello group 4. So if your initials are STUVWXYZ, then you belong to group 4. What should be your strategy for achieving success in life? The cards that I have got here for you are 4 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, the Empress, and 9 of Swords. Okay, so let's get into the first card, which is 4 of Pentacles. 4 of Pentacles card indicates that you need to save money. So what should be your first strategy here? To save money. The second thing you should understand is you should be stubborn for your ideas. Always stick to your ideas. Whatever you think you can do, you should stick to your ideas. Page of Pentacles. This card indicates that you have many ideas, but you are very doubtful about your ideas. You want to start something new, but something is stopping you. Your own self-doubt is stopping you, and you are procrastinating also. Don't procrastinate. Your ideas are really good. Work for it. The Empress. This card indicates that if you are planning to do something which is related to luxury items, which is related to family, which is related to family planning, if you are planning to start your family, then go for it. Don't have any single doubt in your mind. The last card is 9 of Swords. So this card indicates that you should not take stress. You should not take stress about anything. Go for your ideas, start your plans. You will definitely get success, because the Empress card indicates abundance, prosperity, protection, and what not. So 9 of Swords card indicates that you are not sleeping, you are being very anxious about your ideas, and you are very anxious about the future. Don't do it. This is a good card if you are planning for pregnancy. 9 of Swords, 9 months, this card indicates pregnancy. So if you are planning to start your family, then this is a really good indication for you. So a conclusion of this group is that save money, start doing something with your own ideas. Don't go for any others ideas. Don't run behind their ideas. Don't run behind other people for approval. Start your own thing. Start your own family. If you are someone who is planning to invest in agriculture or agricultural products, then it is a very good indication for you. You can go for it, and don't have any doubts in your ideas. Don't procrastinate, and don't take stress. If you will take stress, all your ideas will be ideas won't work out. So try to calm your mind and then work on your ideas. This is all about group 4. Do write in the comment box if you resonated with this file. Thank you.